In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar event directly from Google Chat. This can be a really handy feature when you need to seamlessly transform a conversation into a scheduled event without switching between different applications. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Gmail and navigate your way over to the chat section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. If the chat section isn't visible, check your settings to make sure Google Chat is turned on. This is the gateway to accessing all your chat conversations, and it will serve as the starting point for creating our Google Calendar event. Once you've located the chat section, the next step is to open the specific chat conversation from which you want to create an event. This can be any conversation you've had with a colleague or a friend where you discussed organizing a meeting or an event. Opening up this chat will allow us to begin the process of transforming your discussion into a formal calendar entry. Now that you're in the desired chat, look for a small plus icon in the side panel. Clicking this icon will bring up several options that can help integrate various tools with your chat experience. This plus symbol is your gateway to adding extra functionalities to your chat session, so it's always worth exploring to see what other options are available to you. After clicking the plus, you'll see an option that says Calendar Invite. Selecting this option will take you directly into the process of creating a new calendar event. This is where the magic happens, directly bridging the gap between the conversation you're having and the event you're planning. Now that you're in the calendar interface, you'll see various fields where you can enter your meeting details. This includes the event title, date, time, and any other information that's pertinent to your meeting, such as location or meeting links if it's virtual. Be sure to fill out these fields with care, ensuring that all necessary information is included to avoid confusion later on. Once all your meeting details are in place, the final step is to click Save and Share. This not only saves your new calendar event, but also shares it with the participants involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and has access to all the details. It's a simple click, but it sends out the invitations to all designated attendees, making sure your event is locked into everyone's schedules. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Calendar event directly from Google Chat, allowing you to effortlessly transition from conversation to action. We hope this guide helps you better manage your meetings and enhances your overall productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more handy tech tips.